यूट्यूबर डन हुई। Hi guys, welcome back to the live episode which we are doing these days daily. So right now I am live here on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube all together. So this is possible because I have multiple devices right now. I will be making it happen by installing a live streaming software, but for now I set up everything on different screens. I am using one of my mobile phone, my MacBook, my computer, and all are used right now. And I am live on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So thank you so much, first of all, for the support. Today, I have completed around 10,000 followers on Instagram, and I'm so much happy for that. So, thank you so much for your support. You already supported me a lot, and I think that still we are working hard to grow more to reach 100K followers. And I am also working on Facebook, and there I reached around 46,000 followers. And on my YouTube channel, it is 28K followers. So, hello everyone. Yeah, people are wishing me. Okay, great. So basically, today I was interested to share you this news about my 10K followers on Instagram. And today I covered some topics related to buttons design. So if you will see on my Instagram or Facebook or YouTube. So today the topic was related to buttons design. So on the buttons, I added some background colors. I added border and border radius also, and there are multiple things I did on my on all the buttons which I was displaying there. So let me see. Okay. So if you have any question or something you are trying to ask me, please let me know. I will answer you for that. And sorry. वॉइस उधर से सुनना. हेलो हेलो. ऊंचा करके सुनना. ऊंचा करना. Am I audible? Can you please cross check? Huh? On Instagram. Let me join again. इंस्टाग्राम में नहीं आवाज नहीं इसमें. एक बार दोबारा चेक करें फिर. मादरचोद, एक मिनट. हेलो हेलो. जी जी. ये 10:30 बजे हो जाता है. जी जी. हाँ तो वो कंफर्म नहीं किया होगा ना, वो रेस्टोरेंट में क्लोज हो गया होगा इसीलिए. जी जी जी. अच्छा अच्छा. कहाँ से? चिली बाइट्स. ओके, तो क्या पता कहाँ लोकेशन कौन सी थी आपकी? अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. वो मुझे लगता है फिर वो क्लोज कर दिया होगा, या सामान ख़त्म हो जाता है ना कभी कभी, तो इसीलिए नहीं कंफर्म किया होगा. ओके, यू आर वेलकम. नहीं नहीं आवाज़ आई. इंस्टाग्राम में नहीं आवाज़. ऐसा. हम्म. ओन चेक करें, क्रॉस चेक करें. Hello, hello. Am I audible or not? Can you please cross check and then let me know? एक पर चेक करना. Hello, hello. Yeah. Okay, now I am audible. So sorry, on Instagram when I tried to join and there my voice was not audible. So I'm so sorry for that, and I started the live stream once again so that you could able to hear it. Okay, hello Bhavin. Hope you are doing well. Okay. Hi guys. Hope you are enjoying all the tutorials which I am publishing on daily basis. Today actually I was working on the buttons design, so I hope that you got the basic understanding of how we can actually put the designs. Okay, Sunil is asking me the question, is there any vacancy for HTML and CSS? So basically HTML and CSS are the fundamentals, and once we are working on the next level coding, for example JavaScript and others, then this is the common languages which we needed to make our career more advanced. So please don't ignore HTML CSS. On the base you will able to understand how coding works, how we build the web pages, and how we can actually uh, become a web developer, like front end or back end. So please focus on first of all HTML, and then once you are confident enough, then move on to CSS, and slowly you should update yourself towards JavaScript. And of course, after completing the JavaScript, you will have good confidence to move ahead for the other advanced level languages. Let me give you an example. For example, you are working on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and later you can apply a lot of other frameworks. For example, you are moving ahead with the React JS, Node.js. So all of them are dependent on JavaScript, because all are basically made by JavaScript. Behind the scene, everything is in JavaScript. Okay, Sunil is asking a question. I have learned HTML and CSS. Can I go job on the basics of HTML? Actually, the problem here is that HTML and CSS are not enough to build a website. We can create a structure, but to make the click events and everything, and you can actually need JavaScript. But if you are interested to do other things, for example, working on WordPress, Shopify, so you don't need to worry for anything. You can jump on to those things, and slowly you will able to understand how you can actually work on other frameworks or content management systems. But well, what I will suggest to you is that HTML, CSS, and JavaScripts are basic things, so you must have uh, s- good command on all of them. Okay. mm, Another question is, I did paid web design course, but some points I learned from the page that I had not seen in my paid course. In some point I learned from this page. Yes, thank you so much. Actually, I am covering each single point from beginner level to advanced level, and definitely you will learn a lot. Please watch each single video, because I am actually explaining everything from my experience, whatever I learned so far. So please don't ignore any of the videos. Okay, how long would it take to learn React JS and become comfortable with it? So if you are good in JavaScript, so that means you need only 1 month to learn React JS. React JS is basically on top of JavaScript. That is a JavaScript library. So once you are good in JavaScript, then definitely you can land to a job related to React JS. That much easier this is. So right now you should focus on uh, JavaScript and HTML, CSS. Then after this will be the foundation of everyone. I think. Okay, from where we prepare for interviews for front-end developers. So once you on each single video, I am actually explaining a lot of concepts which are very much fundamentals. So these are the fundamentals which actually asked inside the interviews. Let me give you an example. For example, you are HTML and CSS. So padding, margin, outline, position, for example, relative, fixed, absolute. So these things are very much fundamental. Table, form. You will have a question related to form validation. And you know what? In form validation, you have to use each single thing: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then after you will able to complete that form. So there they will test your skill, that how confident you are. Okay, another question I have from Yunus. Well, I am already getting comfortable in JS, but haven't mastered it yet. Is starting to learn React would be a good decision? Yes, yes, please move on to React JS if you are thinking that you are good in JavaScript, because once you have good experience in JavaScript, then React JS is so much easier for you. So you should uh, focus on what you are doing right now and make the things more practical, because once you are doing the things with practice, you will never able to forget it. All right, so let me see, any other questions, please let me know. Thanks for your support. You're welcome. Actually, it's my duty to share the knowledge which I have. And I think 230 videos I have uploaded so far within these 20. Yes, please go ahead and go to chat box in the Instagram, and definitely you can ask me detailed question and I can connect with you there, and we can discuss more about your career. Okay, CSS. And you know what? On my YouTube channel, I have already uploaded some long content, like type of courses, bigger videos. So if you want to watch the videos on bigger screens, for example, you have laptop or computer without using any phone, so you can go ahead and go to my channel. That channel name is Amazing Learning, and there you will find all the long videos, and you can actually explore them. And maybe you will see me there with big beard. Earlier I had big beard, now I cut it down, and you will find me there teaching all the stuff. Sir, can I okay, okay, great. Okay, any advice for beginners of cybersecurity student? Yeah, this is all about testing, you should explore those who are in cybersecurity. That means everything is more practical. So please do the practice and make I mean do everything. It is not about knowledge only. You should practically do the stuff. For example, what is a router, what is a switch? These are the basic fundamentals, but I'm just giving you an example. So these kind of things, you should not be in the textbooks only. You should practically see and explore the functioning of it. And also are going to cybersecurity, they have good experience in Linux operating system. So please, you master in that one also. So install in your system and start using from today. So in that way you will able to get more confidence related to cybersecurity, because Linux is uh, more that is an open source, and there is a lot of tools inside of it which you can practically explore the things. All right. So yes, I will try to go live with the screen sharing from tomorrow onwards, because that way it will be more better for you to understand some of the concepts which I am interested to show you practically. Because practice, doing practical things and talking is different. If I'm just speaking out and you are asking me questions, that is good, that is a conversation. But if I give you an example on the editor, then you will understand more better way. So that means we need to work on everything on practical basis. Okay, we have Dharm. Please, can I get some PDF for learning CSS? PDF for learning CSS means you can explore my videos, and also I added the code in my website with the small blog posts. And you can also, yeah, that is good way to see and then do the practice over there. If you mean something else, please mention me so that I could understand what exactly you need, and I will help you out in that. All right. Okay, sir. In which company you are working currently? So basically, right now I have my own company. Earlier, I was working on a software company in Gujarat. So from last 4 years, I'm working as a full-time freelancer, and I have projects from various countries, serving clients over there. I have my own companies, two companies I'm working on. First is a software agency, and second is a delivery service company. So both are running right now. Okay, Gujarat, Ahmedabad. I was working in Ahmedabad. Okay, name of company was Radix Web Software Services. So there I worked for around two years, yes, and then I quit the company and started working on. Okay, I'm from Ahmedabad. Okay, so I lived there for 2 years, and then after I moved to my hometown, that is in Jammu. I had good experience from there. Yeah, and that's why I could able to start my own startup. So let me see some questions from my other social media channels like YouTube and Facebook. Okay. Sir, can you give reference to join us in your company? Join us in your company. Give reference to join us means you need a reference letter, or what exactly you mean? Can you please repeat your question so that I could understand what exactly you mean by reference? You mentioned that giving reference means, can you please explain me? I mean, can you help us to join your company? Yeah, but my company has projects related to mobile apps and websites. Those are a little bit advanced. So if you have good experience, then I can also help you out in that. So you must have these three fundamentals first: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And then later on, you have to learn Node.js, React.js or Node.js. So these are the two technologies I was working before. So I need someone who can help me in this. Node.js and React.js. So that is also a good example. So once you know JavaScript, then you can go ahead with the uh, after JavaScript. Yes, you can move to. Please teach me with your heart, sir. Yes, I am working on every single video. So doing so hard work. So if you will see each single video, you will find out that I am really working hard. If any of you wanted to join with me in this live video, please let me know. So I don't know how you can join me here. I think your internet is very much slow. Please, can you please check again? Hello. Okay, can you please show your face? I could able to see. Okay, I see. Okay. Okay, from where you are? Ah, great. So, Bangalore. I am from Jammu. Yeah. Okay, great. So you are watching the reels which I am uploading? Okay, so uh, I mean, so far, uh, how many technologies you already worked on? Like you already know HTML, CSS? Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, okay, no problem. So I will complete all the advanced concepts which we have in the CSS slowly. So right now, I was working on list tag and designing different types of lists, and also designed some buttons. But slowly I will complete all these basic concepts, and then we will move ahead with the with building the pages, real website, and that way it will be more easier for everyone to understand collectively all the concepts. Hmm. Okay, okay, great. Okay. Yeah, just a second. Mm, wait a minute. Okay, you are welcome. No problem. Bye bye. Okay, good night. Okay, guys, thank you so much. So tomorrow again we will connect, and please, if someone is interested to join and have any question, so we can interact one to one, and we can actually solve some problems related to your questions. You can ask me questions, and if you have any problem or you are stuck somewhere, so we can discuss in more better way. So for today, I hope that yeah, that's it, and tomorrow again we will connect. Okay, so all right, thank you so much, and stay tuned for upcoming videos, and we are very soon we will be starting on JavaScript course. For now we are almost completing CSS, and there are a lot of fundamentals I already completed. So slowly I am moving ahead for the more advanced concepts. So definitely we will learn a lot in this course. All right. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.